The labs at the Career Day were really interesting and eye-opening.
Career Lab were great. I was really impressed for the innovation I saw.
The typical approach of the students from H-Farm is really open to understand, asking proper questions, so they never tackle a topic without deep diving.
This year, we chose to dedicate our Career Day to AllIAnce intelligence. That is the ability to view different ages and levels of experience as strategic assets for responding to rapid technological and social change.
Over 100 company representatives rotated through 5 hands-on labs at H-Farm College, where our students brought creativity, ideas and skills to life. From AI Ally to open innovation, AI autonomous operators, smart brand lab and generations at play, companies explored new perspectives and experimented alongside our talent.
We created Voxy, an AI operator designed to support companies in the shipping management. Our goal was to show how clear and automatic communication can make daily work much easier.
Me and my team developed an application called Diary Ally, an AI-powered application that detects violence patterns to fight gender violence through awareness.
We as Lumina presented GenBridge to top companies on filling generational gaps going from AI to AllIAnce intelligence. We demonstrated how Gen Z can help companies mitigate problems derived from AI.
It was amazing to see the projects that the students are working on and also the level of skill that's demonstrated through their projects. We were very impressed.
I saw a lot of beautiful experience that we can apply in our company.
Abbiamo riscontrato giovani ragazzi e ragazze che hanno desiderio di mettersi in gioco, di sperimentare con l'intelligenza artificiale.
The Career Lab helped organizations like us to understand the methodology, the way our H-Farm is managing and teaching students to make the difference once they are in the companies in a later stage.
H-Farm College has always been a cross-generational lab, and the goal of our Career Day was to showcase through real projects the creativity and digital skills that our students can offer to bring real value to companies.